Okay. Stand by.
Ah, he's dead. Safe.
There we go. 55, 58. Go ahead and clear pistol.
What's, oh.
5, 5, 8. That's clear. Did you do a shoot through on those two?
I did.
I almost yelled that you missed the target, but
I'm not sure if it's going to make it or not. We'll see.
it's a technique.
I don't.
Clear. We're clear. I'm just clear. See if your shoot through technique works.
Well, that's not a good plan.
Oh no.
There's no mic on here.
Fuck. Oh well.
It's all good.
That's okay.
That's a lesson.
You don't worry about anything on it.
Okay.
No hits?
You had an alpha mic.
You got an alpha and a mic.
So that alpha's a C.
The alpha there turned to a Charlie over there.
Oh well.
It's all good. It's all good.
Yeah. Thank you.